And then you solve it. Because if you know one of them, you have to be able to figure out what the other one is, because there's just two things you don't know. So real quick, I always think of it as like a murder case, right? In a murder case, how many things are there that you don't know? A lot. I don't know, has anybody ever watched anything related to murder stuff? I always think about Dexter, but I love that he was the one actually involved in some of this stuff. Anyway, never seen Dexter, that's probably better. I don't know. Depends on what you like. So in a murder case, there's a lot of things I don't know. What time did this happen? Where were you? What's the relationships and all this kind of stuff. So these are all variables. The more of them I know the value of, the more I can figure out the other stuff. It's the same idea. So here I know that y is 6. I can figure out what the other guy is. 1. So when y is 6, x has to be 1 to make this true. So how do I do the last one?
Y plus 3.
Yeah, y, because I don't know what y is, plus 3 times negative 1, because I know x is negative 1, equals 9. And then you solve. Y minus 3 is 9. Y is 12. So now I have 3 points that bad boy goes through. All right, so here's this. Yeah, go on out, kid. Back row, you got yours coming. All my back row people. Too cool. So I want you to just do that one side, 1, 2, 3. See how far we can make it. Wow. You don't want to focus. Chumbawamba. Alright, autofocus sucks. Reboot.